Hey guys, it's your girl Fee here, and I am back with another R&R Fridays, and that means we are doing reactions and reviews. And today, before we go there, before I even tell you what's happening today, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Like, the sun, I don't know what it's doing to me today, but make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what other videos you think I should watch, react to, review. Trust me, products, whatever, I'm down for it. It's R&R Fridays, and it's your girl Free. Make sure you subscribe to me. Bars. Stop playing with me. Your girl got bars, okay? Anywho, so today I'm going to react to Amazing Cakes. They have this video of oddly satisfying cake cutting. It's called, let me tell you exactly what it's called. It's called Oddly Satisfying Cake Cutting Video. So y'all seen those videos where you think it's like a candle, but it's really a cake? Yeah, so we about to check these out and see what they giving up, what's happening with them. All right, let go. Let's see. All right, it's a can of beans. I mean, they actually did an amazing job, if you ask me. Oh, chocolate cake. That actually looked like a banana, for sure. Oh, look, is it strawberry? Is that supposed to be avocado? Oh, that definitely looked like potato. Wow. Okay, candle. Was it really fire though? Is that real fire? Oh. That do look like a bowl of fruit. For sure. Wow. Okay, I can tell this one is cake. Sorry, strawberry person. I could kind of tell that knife was fake. But shit, hell of a job. Okay, mug. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like the cake. You know what I'm talking about. Like the mug, the cake inside. That's neat. Oh, wow. Wow. It was a whole plant. Okay, celery. Oh, I've seen this one before, the Dorito one. I think that's what made me want to watch this, because of the Dorito one. Oh, they did an amazing job in the white cloth though. Okay, mango. That looked like a mango. That did look like a, what's the name? But how, that's a tiny little cake, ain't it? Oh, wow. Okay, the sneaker. Usually people make it out of Rice Krispie treats, so I'm shocked at it being actually cake. Like, shout out to that cake person. That was chocolate. I've made one of those before. Okay, that definitely looked like a Starbucks cup. Who would do a cigarette ashtray? I mean, I guess. Well, I can kind of tell with that sushi. But good job, though. No hate over here. Good job. But I could tell that was not sushi. Okay, so not the OG phone. Wait, no, that looked like toilet paper. That definitely looked like toilet paper. Oh, they did a good job with this. You could tell it's cake though. Oh wow, that was really good. That one was good. A turtle. Oh, a green pepper. No, they did a good job with that purse though. Really good job. Oh, we got to see a maple. Is this about to be a burger? What is this? Oh my god, it's about to be a burger. Okay, sesame seeds. French fries. Yo. This banana looks more real than the first one. Is it sponge cake though? Ooh. Oh, coconut. What color? What kind of cake you think in there? Chocolate. Chocolate. Nope. Oh, that was neat. The peppers. What's going on here? Oh, a hot dog. Oh, that was neat. Took them a while. It took them a while to put it together, but that was neat. What's this? What's this about to be? Oh, like a bug. Caterpillar. Ant. What bug is this? The yarn, that was good. That was good. Real good. Oh, it's like a tea kettle. Not mad at that. They did a good job with that one. They did do a good job there. Didn't expect that. Okay, so the boot, I'm gonna say that was good because I thought it was gonna be a Rice Krispie treat, not cake. So kudos to them for making that cake. Cause usually, again, people usually use Rice Krispie treats for that. Oh, that's a good bell now. Oh wow, even the handle is cake. Wow. Wow, those lemons look real good. Wow. Wow. Oh, it's the dude from Star Wars? I don't watch that. Oh no, this is real good. This is real good. I thought it was a mask. Oh, pumpkin, that was decent. That was pretty good. Well, okay, I'll give him that. I'll give him that. That's weird as fuck. Macaroni cheesecake. because I feel like it still had macaroni and cheese on it, and that part was not cake. Who y'all trying to play? This taco good though, especially if it's all edible. If it's not, then you know what? A for effort on these flowers. You could definitely tell they was fake. They don't even look like good dollar store flowers, but it was cake, so you got that. You got that one for me. A log. Are somebody's repeating? Oh my god, bowl of Chinese food. Chinese food sound good. Wow. Wait, is that real chicken or is it chicken cake too? What? What's the chicken cake? What's the chicken cake? Okay, brain. Dang. Again, A for effort, because dang. That did look like a turkey though. Chicken, turkey, whatever. Oh, that's dope. That does look like the bowl you could cut through and all that. That definitely looks like spaghetti. Ooh, these do look like potatoes. Well, that was a good job. That was dope, actually. Dope as fuck. Oh, this is real cute. Oh, that did look like an oyster. They gave it the little shiny inside and all that. Wow. Is the plate? Oh, no. But shit, that looked like a salad to me. Those look like apples. They did a good job with that. Real good job with that one. I think I seen this one already. Oh, I ain't seen these bananas though. Oh, these look like oranges. Wow. It's cake. Chocolate cake at that. Wow. Those look like tomatoes. They did. They really did. The lemons though, how do they get in the... I don't want to say pores. Do lemons got pores? Is that the right word for it? But you know what I mean. Like the pores on the lemons, they had all of that on there. This is neat. However, comma, they're using fondant for the whole thing. Well, except for the bag. They used cake for the bag, but it was fondant for the rest of it. What? That definitely looks like a Dove soap bar, for sure. No! No! It dropped. Oh wow! It looks like the bottle of lotion, the cream, the Nivea cream, which is really good, by the way. Damn, they look just like it too. They did a good job of that. Hold on. Don't tell me the carton is cake. Is the carton cake? They won. They won because they had the liquid pouring out of it in this cake. They won. They won. Everybody else pack it up and go. They had orange juice coming out the cake. Oh, that actually looked like a sneaker. Oh, it is a sneaker. That was a sneaker. You can tell the difference between a sneaker and cake. Now, they shouldn't have did that. They should have showed a sneaker first. Oh, that bag is real cute. That did not look like cake. What they about to make? Oh, I'm about to make the bag. Whew, these details, man. Wow. Actually, that really do look like the bottom. Wow. And the lemons again. Wow. Y'all, some of them cakes definitely look like the item it was supposed to be. Like, the orange juice took the cake for me. They took the cake from me. Anyways, this has been another R&R Fridays. Why did I crack myself up? And it's your girl V. The sun is doing me dirty today. You know, it is what it is. So today I reacted to oddly satisfying cake cutting video from Amazing Cakes, and them cakes was amazing. I gotta say, some of them I didn't know it was cake. The lemon joints was popping. So whoever out there, now I do desserts, but I don't do cakes now. But listen, if you out there and you a baker and you putting on with the cake game like that, props to you, because I already know that is the tedious, most difficult things to pull off, all those intricate details to make it look like the real thing. So props out to y'all for doing that, getting them joints out there for the people. And people, stop asking for weird stuff as cakes. Like, y'all making it real hard for the cake people, for the bakers, you know. Do y'all be watching Cake Boss? He always got some real intricate cake stuff like that. Anyways, it's been another R&R Friday. It's your girl Fee. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment below on what I should be reacting or reviewing next, because they come in every Friday. Every Friday is R&R Fridays, okay? And then on Tuesdays, you get a different type of video. So basically, you get 2 videos a week, Tuesdays and Fridays, 6 p.m. Check me out. It's your girl Fee. It's been another R&R Fridays. Peace out. Subscribe to my channel though. Don't leave without subscribing to my channel. Let me get in the sunlight so you can feel me. Subscribe to my channel. Stop playing. Subscribe to my channel. Okay? It's been real. Peace out.